Maligayang pagdating, tuloy po kayo sa Tumana Villas.
Sa mga naghahanap ng magandang resort for staycation ngayong summer na malapit lang sa city, ito ang marerecommend ko. Ang Tumana Villas na nag-open recently. Pet-friendly ang relaxing getaway na ito na located sa Barangay Bagong Sikat, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes away from the city proper. Meron ditong mga heated jacuzzi, elegantly appointed rooms, swimming pool, wellness spa, KTV bar, pool bar at isang garden venue na ideal for special occasions. At kung gusto nyo lang ma-experience mag-dine-in dito, open ang kanilang Tumana Cafe and Restaurant daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Maligayang pagdating, welcome po kayo sa Tumana Cafe and Restaurant.
From Thursday to Sunday at 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. meron sila ditong live acoustic performances.